Yeah, and I'm gonna put this in my stash. Cause I'm done.
Yeah, put that in your stash. Wait, what if you have the whole stash machine? Like, what if you have the whole stash machine open and you just put it all in?
Mason.
Aiden,
What?
look at this.
Look at this.
I'm Iron Man.
Look at this. Pretty sure. Wait, right there.
Is there any bald spots on yours?
Wait, bro, guys.
My thing.
Do you like how drippy I am?
Stop.
Mason, I have every single item.
You bought every single
Run,
item.
run. Oh, I forgot so dumb.
It's time
I got it.
to explode this thing.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna take off the glasses. They're not drippy.
No, stop! Stop! Okay. Oh man, I'm red wall. 3, 1,
Red watch.
3.
Stop it! Not yet! Not yet! Not yet!
No. Hey, where's the boom boom?